Everyone, in this video I am going to explain you chapter 5 quadratic equation, most expected question in board exam questions. Okay, so coming to the first one, as you can see here, the first one is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3 is a quadratic equation. QE means here I have written quadratic equation I have written in short form, that is QE. Justify, or else this is also the second equation. Maybe they are going to ask in this form or in this form. You should be ready to solve it. Okay, sometimes they will give you the name, like Rohit is saying that the given equation is a quadratic equation. Are you agree with Rohit or not? Like this type of questions they are going to ask. And apart from that, second question is find the roots of quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 3 by factorization method. Okay, this much easy and simple equations they are not going to give you, because already a factorization you are doing in graph. Okay, polynomial graph is there now for 6 months, which is going to come. There also you are doing the verification means there also factorization. That's the reason they will give you like this. They'll twist the question and they will give you like this. Sometimes here they will give roots also, so you should be ready with that. Then coming to the third one, which is very important questions. Maximum time they are asking in board exam, that is write quadratic equation or construct a quadratic equation having roots. These are the example questions I have taken. 2 comma minus 3 sin 30 and cos 60 log 8 to the base 2 and cosecant 30 degrees. Okay, this fourth question is 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3. So this type of difficulty level or this type of numbers, instead of numbers they are giving in trigonometry ratio form, sometime in logarithm form, sometime in root form. So you should be ready with that. So practice these questions very well. Most expected questions from chapter number 5. And here this one also, either for 2 marks or else in part B it is compulsory. There is no doubt at all. Find discriminant of x square minus 5x plus 6. So whenever just they are asking simply to find the discriminant, you use the formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Simple, only this much. No need of writing roots are real and equal, distinct, is all. That will comes under this one. Find the nature of the roots. Okay, and they are asking about nature, 3 types. So one is not real and imaginary, second one is real and equal, third one is real and distinct. When you will get the real, not real and imaginary, if b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, like negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus. But same formula for finding discriminant, also same formula for finding nature of the roots, also same formula. But here after finding the value, we need to write the what is its nature. Here, if you got b square minus 4ac value as equal to 0, then you need to write here real and equal. And here, if you got b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, like positive numbers, then the nature of the roots are real and distinct. So here you can make a shortcut to remember, that is NRR, like Nepal, Russia making rangoli. Okay, remember, not real and equal, real and equal, real and distinct. Clear? Then coming to the sixth one, find the value of k. This is also star question. Find the value of k if the given roots are equal roots. Equal roots in which case? Case 1, case 2, case 3. Of course it is case 2, because real and equal. It means this formula you are going to use. This complete formula you need to take. Even you need to take equal to 0. Or else blindly you remember, whenever they are asking to find the value of k, you take b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And substitute in that, you will get the value of k after simplifying. And one word problem I am predicting, that some of the roots of the present age of 2 friends are 23 years, comma 5 years ago product of their ages are 42. Find the ages of 5 years hence. Okay, and one more thing I want to say you that coming to this special test pre-final is all, they did not ask this question, so chances are there. So and share our video, because it is benefit for class 10 students, those who are writing the class 10 exams all over the Telangana. If you if you understand our video, you are getting benefit. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Jai Hind.